Is your Windows taskbar freezing like mine? In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to fix your taskbar freezing.